In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Jira issue from CSV file. If you need to bring a list of issues into Jira quickly using a CSV file is one of the easiest methods. It's especially helpful when you're migrating tasks from another tool, importing a backlog, or adding multiple issues at once without creating them manually. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Jira to begin that import process. Start by looking at the top right corner of your Jira screen and clicking on Settings. This is where Jira keeps its administrative and configuration options, so if you're trying to manage imports or system-level tools, this is usually the place to begin. Make sure you have the right permissions to access these settings, because import options are often only available to admins or users with elevated access. Once you're inside Settings, click on System. This section contains Jira's broader configuration tools, including options that affect how data is brought into the platform. If you're new to the admin area, don't worry. You don't need to change anything here manually for this process yet. You're simply navigating to the import tools. From there, click on External System Import. This area is specifically designed for bringing data into Jira from outside sources. Since CSV files are commonly used for structured data, Jira includes a built-in option for handling that format. This section is useful because it separates imports from other general settings, making the workflow more organized. Next, click on CSV. This tells Jira that the data you want to import is coming from a comma-separated values file. CSV is a simple and flexible format, and it's often used when exporting data from spreadsheets or other project management systems. Before uploading, it's always a good idea to make sure your CSV file is clean, correctly formatted, and includes the fields you want Jira to recognize. Finally, click on Upload CSV File. This is the step that begins the actual import setup. Once selected, you'll be able to choose your CSV file from your computer and move forward with the rest of Jira's import configuration process. At this stage, Jira will typically guide you through mapping your CSV columns to Jira fields, so having clear column names in your file can save time and prevent mistakes. That's how you get to the CSV import tool in Jira. If you're preparing a large batch of issues, taking a moment to verify your file before uploading can make the entire process much smoother.